So this is the part 2 of the video I made about how Nextel works and how to register on Nextel. So basically on this particular video I am going to explain few things to you before I explain how to register on Nextel. A lot of people will be like, why am I paying to register on Nextel? So let me explain this, or let me make you to understand this place. Why you are paying to register on Nextel? Like, you don't pay to register on Nextel, you pay to get an eSIM from Nextel Telecom. The eSIM grants you the privilege to own your own telecom business and gives you access to start making your own money. So from the moment your SIM is activated, you will receive a free airtime, data, and a router. Every call you make, every SMS you receive will earn you money. So this is actually why you pay money on Nextel. You are not really paying for the sign up, but you are paying for your eSIM, understand? Because without an eSIM, or without you getting the eSIM, the platform will not recognize you as one of their members. So that's why you are paying to get started, understand? Now let's go and check how to join Nextel. So let's look at how to join Nextel, or how to register on Nextel, which is the main thing that a lot of people want to know. So basically Nextel has two categories. Yes, it has two eSIM categories. Number one is the Diamond eSIM, and the second one is the Royal eSIM. And right here on this video I am going to explain it one by one. Now, what does it take to join Nextel? Nextel has two access plan. One is Diamond eSIM, which costs 10,500 naira, and the second one is Royal eSIM, which costs 17,500 naira. And I believe this is the highest SIM plan, or this is the highest eSIM categories available on Nextel. So the eSIM you have choose determine how much money you will make daily. What differentiates the two eSIM? Royal eSIM, which is like the one of the 17,500 naira. When you purchase the Royal eSIM, you receive more calls from both international and local brands, giving you a chance to have more minutes on calls. Your router is included, and anywhere you are in the world, any location you choose to stay, your Nextel Royal eSIM will still work. You see the advantages of going for the Royal eSIM, right? Okay, now let's look at the Diamond eSIM. Then if you go with the Diamond eSIM, which is 10,500 naira, when using the Diamond package, you cannot earn from making calls and receiving calls on this SIM. You can only earn from SMS or being a shareholder, and the SMS will be limited to only local brands, understand? So this is one of the disadvantage if you should go for the Diamond eSIM. So the only thing is you will only be on the system like a shareholder, understand? That's the only way you can earn. So if you really want to make that money that you want to make, the money that is in your mind, so I will recommend you go for the Royal eSIM, because it's actually the best and it will save you from a lot of stress. Now this is how to join Nextel, understand? So you have to get your eSIM. That one is compulsory. You really need to get your eSIM for you to get started. So this is the breakdown of the eSIM categories right here. eSIM activation is 17,500 naira, connect bonus is 14,000 naira, indirect connect is 600 naira, web gain you earn between 15 naira to 50 naira per visit, calls reward you earn 288 naira to around 628 naira per minute. Then SMS reward you earn between 13 naira to 83 naira. Then turnover commissions you have, like you earn 1% of the turnover commission. Connectivity global roam, understand? So you can earn globally on the Royal eSIM. Now let's check the Diamond eSIM. Then on the Diamond eSIM, the activation fee, the activation fee is 10,500 naira as said earlier. Connect bonus is 8,000 naira. Indirect connect is 300 naira. Web gain you earn between 7 naira to 20 naira. You see, that's very low. Call reward nil. That means you cannot earn from call reward. SMS reward, like they can pity you with this one, 6 naira to 20 naira. Turnover commission 0.4%. Local room, yes, connectivity is local room, meaning that you can only do things like within your locality, understand? So not international. You cannot make all those international calls or SMS. So that's basically why you should go for the Royal eSIM. So before I end this particular video, I also want you to hear what this lady is explaining, so that you will know how it really works. But before that, let me show you this. If you go right here, you see the Nextel Connect router, cloud and everything. Look at it right here. Let me show you those pictures. This is the Nextel Connect router. You see, this is amazing. Like, if you sign up on Nextel, they are going to send this to you, understand? You see, this is the full ecosystem, understand? Nextel ecosystem, you are going to get all this. Now listen to this explanation one last time before we end the video.
This is what the Nextel cloud looks like, and on the Nextel cloud storage you can save up to 50 numbers on the cloud. As you can see, I have saved 13 numbers out of 50 numbers on my Nextel cloud. This is my virtual number which I use to make and receive call on Nextel. So after your account setup, you will also be allocated a unique virtual number which is like an eSIM for you to make and receive calls on Nextel. On Nextel, you can share your number to people by sending them this barcode. Let me show you guys the barcode. So you see this barcode here. You can share it to people for them to call you on Nextel. And let me show you guys how to save a number on Nextel. So what you do is you come to favorite, scroll to this side, and then click on add. When you click on add, you can click on anybody's name and save the number. So I'm going to click on Sophie. As you can see, I've added her to my favorite, so I can call her whenever I want to. And you can see the amount I've been able to earn today just by making and receiving calls. You can see it here. I've been able to earn 5,811 naira. And the amazing thing is that these calls don't even take too long. You don't have to stay too long on the call. Let me show you guys my weekly earnings. So for this week, I've been able to make 28,000 naira just for making calls. This is my call history. These are the people that I have called. You can see this is outgoing, this is an incoming call. So these are the calls I have made, and then I was able to earn this amount. Another way to make money on Nextel is by reading and responding to messages. Let me show you guys how much I've earned just by reading messages. Can you see it here? 30,000 plus just by reading and responding to messages. Wow. I even got a message from Nextel. Let me check what they sent. I'm messaging. Your account has granted with this. Wow, you guys, I made this withdrawal this evening and I already got credited. There are multiple ways to earn on Nextel. Let me show you guys something else on my notification. So you see this Binance link here. Let's open the message. So after clicking on it, you Naira.
So I believe you have heard what she said and all the explanation that she made about the platform. So you can add that to everything that I've also explained to you for you to really know better on how this platform works. Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice or a sponsored video. Any shows on this video varies based on individual effort. So for you to opt in, or before you opt in, I advise you make your own personal research before you get started on the system. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video with others, and don't forget to comment Nextel in the comment section. So see you on the next video. Bye.